What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we're working again on the 2020 Yamaha MT-03, doing what probably should have been the first mods that I ever did to this bike. There's a list of things that you should do on your motorcycle when you get it, because if you don't and you screw up, you're gonna regret it. I'm referring to crash protection. I want to thank RNG Racing for sending everything out, an amazing company, and they've been a pleasure to work with. Crash protection isn't just going to save you the trouble, hassle, and the money if you go down, but anytime you may set your bike down, an accident can happen. Plus, crash protection these days just looks nice. Essentially, what crash protection does is if your bike goes down, those points will touch first and will prevent the other nicer bits of your bike from getting scraped up and dented. So we're going to start by installing the frame sliders on the motorcycle. If you're interested in any of the parts that we're installing, I'll link those down in the description.